Hi everyone, I am Vijayalakshmi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll play with mathematics. But how we'll play with mathematics? Today's topic is lattice multiplication. Means multiplication by lattice method. I think you may not know about this lattice multiplication. It is a very cool methods of multiplying bigger numbers. If you take 10 digit number also, you can multiply easily by this lattice multiplication, and it is a lot easier than regular way, and it's kind of fun too. But do you know how to do this lattice multiplication? In this video, we will see about this. Before we read, at first we have to understand it. We know that 2 into 7 is equal to 14, and in this 14 we have 1 and 4. 4 is at 1's place and 1 is at 10's place. So in this lattice multiplication, we have to make square boxes and divide it by diagonally like this, and write one multiplier in the upper side and another multiplicand with the in the side of the square. Then write the result, means write the product of this two digit in the middle. But how to write in this square? Tens digit we will write in the upper side of the square, upper part of the square. Like here we write 1 here, and ones digit we will write in the lower side of the square. Here is some rules to do some bigger multiplication. We will see, take an example.
Now we already see one digit multiplication in lattice method. So now we discuss about two digit multiplication. How to do two digit multiplication in lattice method. Here see 14 and 12. Both are two digit number. 1, 4, 14, 1, 2, 12. Both are two digit numbers. So at first we have to draw a square box or a table. Here 1 4 14 2 digit, here also 2 digit, and both are two numbers, 1 2 two numbers. So draw a square box like this. Then we have to do a diagonal path in this square box. How we draw in the first example, like this, we have to draw a diagonal path. Okay, now we write these two numbers, 1 for 14 and 1 to 12, 1 in the upper part, 1 for 14 in the upper part, and 1 to 12 in the side of the square. Then we multiply these numbers and write this result in this square box. As we do in the first example, first we see this part. Here 4, here 1. 4 into 1 equal to 4. So as we know, 4 is in the 1's place. We write 4 in the lower part of this square like this. Then we write here 10's place is absent, so we write 0 here. Okay, now we see another square like this. Here we omit 4, and we see we take here 1. We omit this box. We omit this box. See here 1 is present, here 1 is present. 1 into 1 1, as like now we also write 1 here and 0 here. Then we see which box. Yes. Then we have to see this box. This box, here 2, here 4 is present. So 4 into 2 is equal to what? 8. 8 is also only in tens place. So we only write 8 is in the ones place, only in ones place. So we write 8 here and tens place is absent. So we write 0 here. Then we see another box which is only remaining this box. Here 1 is present, here 2 is present. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 is only in the ones place. So tens place is absent. As tens place is absent, we write 0 here. Then what we have to do? We have to do addition here. But what we add? Yes, we add. So we add it diagonally. Diagonally like this. Here only 8 is present below the first diagonal. So we have no addends of 8. So we write only 8 is here. After that we add the numbers below the diagonal 2 and above the diagonal 1. Here 2, 0, 4. 3 numbers are present. So we add 3 numbers, 2 plus 0 plus 4. What is the result? Yes, the result is 6. So we write 6 here. Then we add the numbers below the third diagonal and above the second diagonal. What are these numbers? 0, 1 and 0. Then we add 0 plus 1 plus 1. What is the result? Only 1. Then here nothing is present, 0 is present means nothing is present, but we write 0. Then what is the result? We add these numbers, protect these numbers, but what is the result of 14 and 12? How to know the result? Yes, here from this side to this side is our result. What is our result? From this side to this side. What is the number out of the square? That is our result. So what is this number? Here 0 is present means nothing. We don't write 0 in the left hand side. Then 1, 1. See here 6, 6. Here 8, 8. 168 is the product of 14 and 12. So you say that, you think that it takes a lot of time. No, it takes to understand a lot of time, but we do it very quickly. If you once understand it, then you do quickly it. You practice it. Here I write all the rules to do one multiplication. Take it is one digit. We already see one example of one digit multiplication and another example of two digit multiplication. And you also practice 3-digit multiplication, 4-digit multiplication like this. Here rules are present. By these rules you have to do is on every multiplication, and so that we get perfect answer. And now we also minimize our wastage of time. Here see, this is homework for you, and you do this multiplication and write down the answer in the comment section below. And do you know when this method was developed? Yes, this method was later developed by Fibonacci in the 14th century and seems to be becoming the go-to method in teaching elementary students and how to multiply two numbers in which at least one of them is the
two digit number are greater. Also we take one digit number, but that no matter, because we all remember the tables, so we don't take one digit number and to multiply in this lattice method. Okay, then thank you.